Every wedding season, I see beautiful, intelligent brides and grooms making very expensive skincare mistakes. So today's video is for the brides and grooms of 2026. I'm Dr. Jyoti Aneja, your aesthetic dermatologist with over 16 years of experience in dermatology and aesthetics. My heartfelt goal is to support and guide you on your journey to healthier, more radiant skin and hair. Because I truly believe everyone deserves to feel confident and comfortable in their own skin. Hi, I'm Dr. Jyoti Aneja and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about 10 most common mistakes we make before our big day. On number 10 we have starting your skincare too late. I know बहुत सारी तैयारियां करनी होती है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं and skincare definitely takes a back seat. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, अगर हम इस प्रायोरिटी को समझें कि जितनी जल्दी हम ये करना शुरू करेंगे उतनी कम चीज़ें हमें टुवर्ड्स द एंड करना पड़ेंगी, बिकॉज स्किन केयर is not just about what you apply on your face. It's how you regulate your hormones, it's what procedures we do onto your skin, it's what you eat, how we balance your hormones and everything else that goes along with it. So starting early is most definitely going to be the best way forward. On number 9 we have squeezing 4 facials in 1 week is going to give me that glow. अब आता है मेरा तकिया कलाम, less is more. At least your skin works in cycles. Doing more than one treatment in a week is absolutely unnecessary and uncalled for. If you're doing it right, just about 2 treatments are enough. Next up we have trying new products closer to the wedding. Well, I'd say it is the worst time to be adventurous. At least about 2 to 3 months before the wedding, you should not apply anything that's not been working for you already. So if it's not working for me, it's not coming to the wedding. So next up is our DIY remedies, and जो इतने सारे phone calls और इतने सारे नुस्खे हमें पता चलते हैं that you are supposed to do. Actually not supposed to do before your wedding, because having said that, आप कुछ भी नया लगाओगे, it can lead to purging, it can lead to an allergic reaction, it can actually make your skin condition worse. So as far as खाने की चीज़ है, it's healthy, it looks healthy to you, आप खा लो, but when it goes to applying things onto your face, stay away from it. And then comes my favorite question, skipping sunscreen for your bridal prep. Sin. किसी भी ट्रीटमेंट का फ़ायदा नहीं होगा. Makeup is not going to stay together because your barrier is not going to be intact. So if there's only one product that goes into your vanity, that has to be your sunscreen. And then we have the one where we ignore the skin barrier health. अब सिंपल सा एनालॉजी है, कैनवस अच्छा होगा तो पेंटिंग अच्छी बनेगी. अगर मेरा बैरियर डिसरप्टेड है, नो फॉर्म ऑफ मेकअप इज गोइंग टू स्टे टुगेदर एंड वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू लुक नाइस, यू आर गोइंग टू लुक केकी, फ्लेकी एंड नॉट सो हेल्दी. सो व्हाट वी डू नीड टू फोकस ऑन इज आवर स्किन बैरियर. Another most common mistake is not paying enough attention to your hormone, your sleep and your stress well before the wedding. Now ये factors ऐसे हैं जो हमें दिखाई नहीं देते, but they start screaming very loudly on your skin on your big day. So make sure that you're eating right, you're sleeping on time, because close to the wedding तो ये सब disrupt होने ही वाला है. So for the months that build on to the wedding, you make sure that your hormones are in check, and if at all you need help, you seek help at the right time. Number 2 is our obsession with fairness. हम texture पे नहीं focus करेंगे, हम luminosity पे focus नहीं करेंगे, हम tone पे focus नहीं करेंगे, पर हमें सिर्फ fair होना है. छोड़ दो, 2026 है, इसको छोड़ दो. You have to accept the way you look, because it's the confidence that is going to give you the radiance. You are going to look your best self when you feel like the queen that you are. And number 1, we have not consulting a dermatologist early. Well, every bride thinks that her skin is normal only till it reacts. Do not wait for that time. If you have any issues, you've had acne in the past, you've had pigmentation in the past, just focus on fixing those things well in time, because dermatologists are not just selling you glow. So if you think going to a doctor is going to be cost intensive, think of it as an investment in yourself, in your skin, in your well-being, because it could actually save your big day. So congratulations once again. I really wish and hope that you make the most amazing bride and groom, and head out to a dermatologist at the earliest if you need any help. Like, share, follow for more.